Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about how to sign in on Zoom application. Open Zoom. Click on Sign In. There is a various option by which you can sign in your Zoom account. For example, I sign in with Google. Select your account by which you want to sign in. Now for verification, please confirm your date of birth. For example, I choose September 14, 1998 and then click on Continue. Click on Create an account. Click on Launch Zoom and open a Zoom meeting. Now you can see my account is created with my Google ID.
Please like and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for latest updates. Follow us also on Instagram and Twitter.